single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheena. I hope you're liking my videos. In case आप मेरी वीडियो पहली बार देख रहे हो तो kindly subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you know whenever my next video is up. And in case you're already following my channel, thank you very much. So guys, this video is all about CTM routine, which is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. I will be sharing certain tips and the importance of CTM routine, so stay tuned. Alright, step 1 towards CTM routine is cleansing. Now we all know how important cleansing is when it comes to skin health. It helps in opening pores and extract all the dirt and impurities lying within. I personally make sure that I cleanse my face 2 times a day, in the morning and at the night both. For that I use 2 cleansers. One is Sebamed. Now this has been prescribed to me by my dermatologist because my skin being an acne prone skin, it helps in controlling acne. And the other face wash that I use is Clean and Clear Oil Free Face Wash. Now the reason behind using these 2 face washes is that Sebamed tends to over dry my skin, hence I make sure that I do not repeat it, and for that I use the other face wash. You guys need to choose your own face wash as per your skin type. Alright guys, important tip here is that at times you feel like washing your face multiple times in a day. At times your skin feels sticky or it is oily and you feel like washing your face and again, especially during summers. I would suggest you to avoid your cleansers more than 2 times a day because cleansers tend to over dry your skin. It takes away necessary oil or moisture from your skin. Alright, so to show you my step number 1, which is cleansing, I will be using Sebamed face wash right now. And I'm gonna take 1 spray and put it all over my skin. And done. So we are done with step number 1. Moving on to step number 2, which is toning. Now toning is very helpful in shrinking your skin pores. At times the face doesn't get cleansed properly with a cleanser, maybe because you were wearing a heavy makeup or there was any other product on the face which might not come out during cleansing. So toning will really help in cleansing your face further, cleansing the pores further while shrinking it. So here we will be using today a very famous product, which is rose water from Dabur Gulabari. Now this product is very easily available on nearby stores and is also useful for any skin type. The safest product to use on the skin. So let's get into it. There are 2 ways of toning your skin. One is that you take a toner on a cotton pad and gently rub over your skin. And the other way is something that I'm going to show you right now. So in this bowl, I have taken an ice cube and I've dipped in rose water. And I'll be taking this ice cube and I'll gently rub it over my skin. Now using ice in my CTM routine really helps me a lot. First of all, it really freshens my skin up. It helps in further tightening of the pores and it also helps in tightening of the skin. Alright, coming on to step number 3, which is moisturizing. Very important. Now I'm using this Neutrogena oil-free moisturizer and you have been seeing this moisturizer in my last 2 videos as well. I swear by it. So I'll be taking 1 tiny drop and I'm gonna put it all over my skin. Now there is a certain pattern which I follow while moisturizing my skin, which is of not rotating my hands all over my skin. Rather, I will be massaging it in an upward motion, just like this. Just with the use of these 2 fingers, I will be just taking my moisturizer in an upward direction rather than rotating my hands all over my skin. I think doing moisturizing in this way will not unnecessarily sag my skin. And we are done. Also, please remember that my ways of cleansing, toning and moisturizing my skin has been tried and tested on my skin and it really works well on my skin. But every skin is different and it needs its own care. So please make sure that whatever step you take for your skin is tried and tested and it doesn't harm your skin. Let's not be harsh on our skin, right? Alright, with this we come to an end to this video. Quick 3 tips. 1. Make sure that you cleanse your face at least 2 times in a day and do not overuse your cleansers. Second, in case you are using ice in your CTM routine, please wrap it in a muslin cloth and then use it. Third, while moisturizing your face, avoid rotating your hands over your skin. Rather, take it up in an upward motion so that your skin doesn't sag and it remains tight. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope this video was useful to you, and I'm also hoping that you're not just watching this video but also practicing it along. In case you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do the same. Hit the bell icon right below so that you know whenever my next video is up. I will be back with my next video super soon. Till then, bye.